Hello everyone, today I will show you how to erase an image using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now I will erase this image. First we select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select Image and click on this image. Now click right button and select Edit Object. This image eraser. First I will increase this image size and click on this eraser and erase your object you want and see this and so on. In this way you can erase a specific area or part you want, and finally select this save option and see this. In this way you can erase your image and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.